good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. So basically this is the first day. I'm not really gonna do much. I'm just gonna really want to keep the wheels. If I can find a way to get rid of take off the radiator, gotta just clean up a little bit. I gotta push the car a little bit. The good thing is Uncle's gonna do his best and get this little Smurf troll hairdo of a child to learn how to work on my car, or work on a car, change a tire and all that good stuff. So yeah, today we're not really going to be doing much. We're just going to do a quick time lapse, change the tire, push the car out, because like I said, I want to keep the tires. Probably get rid of the damn carpet, the couch. And yeah, we're just going to do some random stuff, but not too much today. Still snowing in Seattle. So yeah. Alright, thanks for tuning in. Here we go.
피냐콜라다 아코세페 너의 피부색처럼 dripping 지금 내 핸드폰에 비친 네 모습에 나는 tripping 피냐콜라다 아코세페 너의 피부색처럼 dripping 지금 내 핸드폰에 비친 네 모습에 나는 tripping 옐로 피냐콜라다 말고는 헤네시의 콜라타 우리 취향은 너무나 달라 머리부터 발끝까지 힙한 스타일 너는 좀 단정한 애 같아 나를 만나고서 달라져 힙한 말투를 따라하는 게 cute like pie 동그란 볼살은 빵 같아 I don't know about a lot of things 아직도 I'm young and free All these girls still talk to me all night 시발 관심 없지 Cause you got that yellow skin 햇살에는 하얀 skin 만질래 so come and sit 내 차 안에서 하자 kiss 한색의 바리 안에 숨겨놓은 line 나의 only one 바지를 내려놔 우리 엄마가 들으면 안 되지만 네가 들으면 해서 난 라임을 따 이번 여름에 마셨던 술은 다 너를 보기 전에 니나 버드카 내년 여름에 나 피냐콜라다 내 옆에 피냐콜라다 아코세페 너의 피부색처럼 dripping 지금 내 핸드폰에 비친 네 모습에 나는 tripping
자기야 나를 좀 봐봐 아무리 그래도 취하면 곤란해 드링크에 피냐콜라다 맘에 안 들어도 마지막 자리야 잠시만 나가서 걷자 오늘이 아마도 여름의 마지막 밤이야 지나갈 가슴 조금은 가슴에 담고서 우리의 추억을 만들자 I'm so fucking honest 매일 감성적이야 왜 이리 너는 몰라 인스타 감성 따윈 아무것도 아니지.
So we kind of fucked up and lost the key. So this is just a proof real quick on how much this mileage this car actually has. Alright, before the GoPro actually died, I had to charge it. But we were able to get it's getting dark, I know. We were able to get the strut brace off, or strut bar off. The main intake, intake. This is how bad it is. I think I'm gonna have to cut it all up. I know it's kind of shitty to see during this kind of weather or shade, or how about that? There you go. So I'm gonna have to probably cut it up around there. And yeah, by the looks of it though, I'm praying, dear God, I am praying that nothing is really severe with the main engine, and that's really what I want, is the main engine. So that's all the stuff we took apart. And yeah, so all right then. Alright, it's already getting late, it's already getting dark. It took us about 3 hours to find a damn bolt because we couldn't find the key for that extra leg nut. He lost it.
No, you didn't give it to me. No,
this candy cane hair, or this candy damn, I'm hungry. This candy hair drop of his got me so hungry that I'm done for today. So you saw all the parts we took apart. Tomorrow we're gonna tackle it again. We're probably gonna have to grind and cut up some stuff. So just another day. Stay tuned. Peace.